I get in bed with the money. 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 We do not sleep. I do not sleep with the money.
Hey guys, what's up? Notorious FISH here, and today I'm with my buddy Garth over there, who's looking under his porch. And today we are going to be doing largemouth fishing. I normally don't do largemouth, cause in retrospect to where I live, there's not much. There's one lake that has some, but if you go, you might catch one a day, but they're big. But here we can get numbers, and I've got so many baits to try, and I'm so happy. But however, we have a slight problem. It's raining a bit, so it doesn't matter. We're gonna get kayaks in the water, and yeah. And then tomorrow we're gonna visit another lake, so that'd be cool. Okay, Garth and I just ate. It had been raining, now it stopped, and this is just beautiful water. I'm gonna start off by throwing a popper. I got frog, I got chatterbait, and I got a spinnerbait. So if I can't catch it on those four, I don't know. That must be bad, but we're gonna get fishing. Okay guys, I switched up to a wacky worm. That's the only thing that's been really getting hit. Our finesse / Senko presentations. So oop, oh, crap. Oop, ready? Oh, don't, we dropped it. Oop, there he is. Got Well, first LMB of the day. I felt him for the longest time, and I really wanted him to take it, but... Oh, dude, he's so warm. Is he? He's... Or either that or I'm freezing cold. We're pretty cold. It's pretty cold. But he got that little Senko. I mean, Senkos don't necessarily catch big fish, but at least I got one. That's not bad. Later, dude. Hey guys, so we're off the water. I lost one, caught one, a squeaky one. I was gonna turn this vlog into 2 vlogs, but due to the lack of fish on the first day, we're gonna do this one big vlog. So I'll see you guys in the morning.
The money I speak of is called respect. You got respect.
Good morning, guys. So today we are out here on another lake. It had rained a little bit, but now it's calm, a little bit windy. This is a small lake. Problem with this one though is there's mosquitoes everywhere, but that's not bad. We're gonna eat lunch and then get fishing. Okay, I switched to the other side of the lake. I left poor Garth over there. Bobby wants a fish though. Problem over here is there's wind. Oop, there, got one. There we go. Feels like a good one. Here we go, come on. Woo! There we go, guys. Not a big one, but my first of the day took me forever. Wow, he was pinned good. Come on, get out of there. If I can get the hook out. There we go. Not a nice, dark, pretty largemouth. Not massive, but hey, it's a start. Oop, there's one. Got him. Here we go. Oh, another one. Hey, Garth. Another one. I got another one. Not bad. Right in the roof of the mouth. Same size as the other one, but look at the mouths on these guys there. Sharp teeth too. Yeah, beautiful fish. Oop, there's one. Got him. Oh, looks like a better one. Oh, he was right in the grass. There we go. I'm gonna get a picture with this guy. Just cause I don't know if I'm gonna catch a bigger one. Stop that. There we go. And we get the release. There we go. Come on. Oop, got one. He ran out with it. Oh, it's a big one. It's a bigger one. Oh, come on. Don't. Oh, come on. Easy. Oh my gosh, that's a good sized one. Come on. Yeah, there we go. Woo! He ran towards me so far. Oh my gosh. That's my biggest this year, 100%. Because my only other ones were through the ice and they were tiny. He must have been sitting. Look how he got that. Oh my, just it was easy out. Holy smokes. Now I gotta get another picture. Well, you guys can hear me or see me, but this is the biggest one I've caught so far. A nice chunker one. Probably really zoomed in on my face, but I can't get the tripod out, so yeah. Oh my gosh, let's get a release on this fish. There he goes. Woo! Oop, there's one. Got him. Feels like a good one too. Or maybe, oh no. I lost him. Ah, dang it. I gotta back up. I knew there was one there. He broke me off, or not broke me off, but I didn't stick him good. Lots of grass though. Dang. There's gotta be another one in there. Oh, my lens is crusty. Anyway guys, done fishing. We gotta pack up. Yeah, thanks for watching. I caught some nice largemouth. I love these fish. Wish they would have been biting topwater though. But anyway, catch you guys next time.